Year 9. So we're just going to quickly look at the interest problems that we've got. We've got a simple interest problem and a compound interest problem. So Bob borrows $11,000 for 3 years at 8% simple interest. How much interest is he charged and the total amount he must pay? So interest, we know, equals the principal, that's the starting amount, multiplied by the rate, multiplied by the length of time that the loan is outstanding. So in this case, it's going to be $11,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 3 years. And I'll just grab my phone to calculate that. We've got 11,000 multiplied by 8% multiplied by 3, and that's interest equals $2,640. The total amount that he has to pay, so the amount is going to equal the principal plus the interest, which is going to be the $11,000 plus the $2,640. We should be able to do this without a calculator. It should be $13,640. And that's our answer there. That's the interest, and that's the total amount that he repays. In this case, find the question tells that it's compound interest. So we have a slightly different rule for compound interest. We work out that the amount equals the principal, 1 plus the rate, to the number of times that it compounds. So in this case, the amount is $60,000 and it's invested, so that's going to mean it's going to increase in time. The rate is 9% and the number of times it compounds, 8 years. 9% is the same as saying 0.09. So let's put these numbers into the equation. The amount is going to equal $60,000 by 1.09 to the 8th. I've only got a simple calculator on my phone, so I'm going to go to Excel to do a calculation here. So here we're going to have, you can say, we're going to do a calculation, $60,000 multiplied by 1.09 raised to the 8th, and it gives us a figure of $119,553. Amount equals 119,553, and that looks about right. There's a rule. There's a rule that says if someone's earning an interest rate of about 9%, the money should double every 8 years. The rule is 72. You divide the interest rate divided by 72, divide 72 by the interest rate, and that should give you how many years it takes to double the sum of money. Don't get too worried about this. Certainly not going to be on the exam, but it shows that the final amount, is very reasonable, 119,553. The question, however, then goes and asks how much interest is earned. So the interest is going to be the amount minus what we started, the principal we started with. So it's going to be 119,553 minus the $60,000. So I think that's going to equal $59,553 for the interest. And that's the use of the simple interest and the compound interest equation.